That's a John Deere 110 with a four-wheel drive, quick attach front loader bucket, rear loader bucket, or rear backhoe bucket, four-wheel drive, diesel, power steering, 3-speed hydrostatic, 2,100 some hours, original, very, very nice. Grill guard on the front. We put 2 new front tires. Rear tires are like, it's called 90%. Hold on, on the front. Original paint. It's different. Very, very nice. It's a very nice bike. Matter of fact, I'll go around. It's raining on us now, but we've got another one. It's got 300 hours. We have a 3-point hitch arms to go with this.